Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. If you are an iPad user, today I am going to bring you a very useful video where I will show you if you put your iPad in recovery mode, whether it has a home button or not. Before we get into the video, let's talk about what recovery mode is. Recovery mode is a built-in security feature of your iPad that can help you troubleshoot obstacles and fix issues. It can be used with software updates, upgrades, flashing, and more, so it's an important tool whether you're looking to fix problems or change your system. If you are used to using software, you can use UltFone iOS System Repair to enter recovery mode with one click, which is very convenient and time-saving. But if you want to do it manually, for iPad with home button, first you need to connect the iPad to the computer with a data cable. Then press and hold the home button and the power button at the same time until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. When this screen pops up, you enter recovery mode. For iPads without the home button, manual operation is just as simple. You also need to connect the iPad to the computer, quickly tap the volume up button, then tap the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until recovery mode appears. If you fail or feel troubled by these methods, you can use an easier method to use UltFone Repair Tool on your computer, which only needs to be easily clicked to make your iPad enter recovery mode directly. This operation is equally simple whether it is on Windows or Mac, and it is very simple and convenient to do so without losing any data. Similarly, to exit recovery mode, you only need to exit with a simple click on UltFone Repair Tool. Similarly, you won't lose any data if you exit recovery mode this way. If you are in recovery mode and don't know what to do, you have several options. You can use System Repair in Re-iBoot to fix problems with your iPad without losing data. If your iPad has a serious problem, you can choose to restore your iPad to factory settings using Deep Repair. You can try System Repair after downloading the firmware, and then you can start the repair process to restore your iPad without losing any data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and follow us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.